The market price of a bed is 517 rupees, which is 30% above the cost price. If the profit percent is 2%, find the discount percentage. Given market price is 517 rupees. According to the question, market price is 30% on cost price. It means it is equal to 130% of cost price, which means 517 is equal to 1.30 into cost price. That implies cost price is equal to 517 by 1.30. And in the question they have given the profit percent is 2% on cost price, which means profit is equal to 2% on CP, which becomes selling price is equal to cost price into 102 by 100. We already know that CP is 517 by 1.30 into 102 by 100, that is equal to 405.64. We have to find the discount percentage. The formula of discount percentage is market price minus selling price divided by market price into 100, which is 517 minus 405.64 divided by 517 into 100. After simplification, we get 21.54%. Kiran spends 45% of his income. If he saves 66,000 rupees, then his income is. We have the formula of total income is equal to savings divided by 1 minus spending percentage. Savings is 66,000 rupees divided by 1 minus 45 by 100. Let's simplify this. This is equal to 66,000 divided by 55, and in the numerator it is into 100, which is equal to 1,20,000 rupees. So total income is equal to 1,20,000 rupees. Varun and Ashish together can paint a hall in 3 days. Varun alone can paint it in 7 days. In how many days can Ashish alone paint 4 such halls? According to the question, Varun plus Ashish can paint a hall in 3 days and Varun alone can do it in 7 days. The LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So the efficiency becomes 7 here and 3 here. From this, Ashish 1 day work is equal to 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. If one hall is equal to 21 units, then 4 halls is equal to 4 into 21, which is equal to 84 units. We have to find the number of days he can paint 4 such halls. Then time is equal to 84 divided by 4, which is equal to 21 days. Find the duration in which 1200 rupees will amount to 2280 rupees at a rate of 4% per annum simple interest. We know that the formula of simple interest is PTR by 100. In the question, they have given principal as 1200 rupees and amount as 2280 rupees. We know that simple interest is equal to amount minus principal, which is equal to 2280 minus 1200. Then simple interest becomes 1080 rupees. So for finding the time, we have to use the simple interest formula, which is PTR by 100. So 1080 is equal to 1200 into T into rate of interest, which is 4%, divided by 100. Which becomes time is equal to 22.5 years. The larger of two supplementary angles is 28 degrees more than the smaller one. The smaller angle is let the smaller angle is x. then obviously larger angle becomes 28 degrees plus x. We know that if two angles are supplementary, their sum is 180 degrees. It means sum of angles implies x plus 28 degrees plus x, which is equal to 180 degrees. It becomes 2x equal to 180 minus 28, which becomes x is equal to 76 degrees. So the smaller angle is 76 degrees. If Ishwar covers 721 kilometers in a boat in 42 hours against the stream and he takes 15 hours with the stream, then find the speed of the stream. We know that speed of the stream formula is downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. For finding the upstream speed, use the distance against the stream and time against the stream, which means 721 kilometers and 42 hours. This is from the formula speed equal to distance by time. So upstream speed obviously becomes 721 divided by 42, which is equal to 17.166 kilometers per hour. In the same way, downstream speed is equal to 721 divided by 15, which is equal to 48.066 kilometers per hour. Let's substitute this in the above formula, which means speed of the stream is equal to 48.066 minus 17.166 divided by 2, which is equal to 30.9 divided by 2, that is 15.45 kilometers per hour. So the speed of the stream is 15.45 kilometers per hour. A class of 30 students appeared in a test. The average score of 12 students is 60 and that of the rest is 62. What is the average score of the class? Here the total number of students is 30 and the average of 12 students is 60. We have to find the average score of the whole class. If the average of 12 students is 60, then the sum becomes 12 into 60, which is 720. And the rest of the students are 30 minus 12, which is 18. So here the sum becomes 18 into 62, which is 1116. Now average score of the class is equal to total sum divided by total number of students, which is equal to 720 plus 1116 divided by 30, that is 1836 divided by 30, which is equal to 61.2. This is the final average score. The simplified value of 127 minus 7 into 17 plus 6 plus 93 is. We have to find that using Bode-Mass rule. 127 minus 7 into 17 plus 6 plus 93. Which implies 127 minus 7 into 23 plus 93. That implies 127 minus 161 plus 93, that is 93 minus 34, which implies 59. Find the value of k if the quadratic equations 2x square plus kx plus 8 is equal to 0 and 3x square plus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0 have both roots common. If two quadratic equations have the same roots, their corresponding ratios of coefficients must be equal, which means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Let's compare the coefficients according to the question. Here a1 is 2 and a2 is 3. Similarly, b1 is k and b2 is 4. And in the same way, c1 is 8 and c2 is 12. Let's equate 2 by 3 is equal to k by 4, which means k is equal to 8 by 3. Simplify 2x minus 5y whole square plus 5x plus 2y whole square plus 2x plus 5y into 2x minus 5y. This is in the form of a minus b whole square, and this one in the form of a plus b whole square, and this one in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Let's simplify this. The first expression becomes, we know that a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. From this, the first expression becomes 4x square plus 25y square minus 20xy, and the second one becomes 25x square plus 4y square plus 20xy, and the third expression becomes 4x square minus 25y square. Here minus 20xy and plus 20xy gets cancelled, and 25y square gets cancelled. Which becomes 33x square plus 4y square is the final answer. A man has to cover a distance of 519 kilometers in 7 hours. If he covers 2/3 of his distance in 5/7 of the time, then what should his speed be cover the remaining distance? Given total distance is 519 kilometers and total time is 7 hours. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. If he covers 2/3 of his distance in 5/7 of the time, then what should his speed be to cover the remaining distance? So, distance covered is equal to 2/3 of 519 kilometers, which is equal to 346 kilometers. And time taken is 5/7 of total time, which means 5 by 7 into 7, which is equal to 5 hours. So, remaining distance is 519 minus 346, which is 173 kilometers, and remaining time is equal to 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2 hours. So required speed is S is equal to T by T, which is equal to 173 divided by 2, that is 86.5 kilometers per hour. The median of the observations 76, 83, 30, 11, 81, 52, 18, 34, 84, 35 and 27 is. For finding the median, we have to arrange the observations in ascending order. So in ascending order, it becomes 11, 18, 27, 30, 34, 35, 52, 76, 81, 83 and 84. And the total number of observations here is 11. Here the middle one is 35. So the median is equal to 35. Or simply we can use the formula median is equal to n plus 1 by 2, which is 11 plus 1 by 2, that is 6th term, which is also 35. Pipe A can fill a tank in 18 minutes, while pipe B can empty the completely filled tank in 20 minutes. Initially, pipe A is opened and after 6 minutes, pipe B is also opened. In how much time will the remaining tank be filled completely? Here, pipe A can fill in 18 minutes and pipe B can empty in 20 minutes. The LCM of 18 and 20 is 180 units. So their efficiency becomes 10 for A and minus 9 for B. Initially pipe A is open and after 6 minutes B is open. So work done by A in 6 minutes is 6 into 10, which is 60 units. It means remaining units is 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120 units. And A plus B efficiency is equal to 10 minus 9, which is equal to 1. We have to find in how much time will the remaining tank be filled completely. It means time to complete 120 units at 1 unit per minute is 120 divided by 1, which is equal to 120 minutes. Simplify the equation. Third root of 5832 divided by fourth root of 10,000 into 5 by 24 into 78. We can write this as third root of 18 cube divided by fourth root of 10 power 4 into 5 by 24 into 78, which implies 18 by 10 into 5 by 24 into 78, that is 9 into 78 by 24, which is equal to 29.25. Rahul's age is 3 times the age of his daughter. After 8 years from now, his age will be 5 years more than twice the age of his daughter. Find the present age of Rahul. Let daughter's present age is equal to x, which implies Rahul's present age is 3x because his age is 3 times the age of his daughter. And after 8 years from now, daughter's age becomes x plus 8 and Rahul's age becomes 3x plus 8. After 8 years, his age will be 5 years more than twice the age of his daughter. Which means 3x plus 8 is equal to 2 into x plus 8 plus 5. That implies 3x plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 16 plus 5, which implies x is equal to 13. So, present age of Rahul is 3x, which is 3 into 13, that is equal to 39 years. A dealer sells 2 dryers at the rate of 63,000 per dryer. On one, he earns a profit of 5% and on the other, he loses 30%. What is his loss percentage in the whole transaction? We know that cost price is equal to selling price divided by 100 plus or minus profit or loss percent into 100. Let's consider it for two dryers. First dryer, he earns a profit of 5%. So, cost price of first dryer $63,000 divided by 100 plus 5. Here we are taking profit, which means plus becomes 100 plus 5 into 100, that is equal to 63,000 divided by 105 into 100, which means 60,000 rupees. Similarly, cost price of second dryer is 63,000 divided by 100 minus 30 into 100, because in the other one he loses 30%, so we take 100 minus 30, which is equal to 63,000 divided by 70 into 100, that is 90,000 rupees. So, total CP is equal to 60,000 plus 90,000, that is 1,50,000 rupees. And according to the question, selling price is same for two dryers. It means total selling price is 63,000 plus 63,000, which is equal to 1,26,000 rupees. So the loss formula is total loss is equal to total loss percentage is equal to 1,50,000 minus 1,26,000 divided by 1,50,000 into 100, that is 24,000 divided by 1,50,000 into 100. After simplification, we get 16%. When x is added to each of 30, 15, 21 and 11, then the numbers so obtained in this order are in proportion. Then, if 6x is to y is equal to y is to 3x minus 9 and y greater than 0, what is the value of y? We know that if four numbers are in proportion, then a by b is equal to c by d, and here x is added to each of four numbers. Which means 30 plus x by 15 plus x is equal to 21 plus x divided by 11 plus x. Let's simplify this. 330 plus 41x plus x square, that is equal to 315 plus 36x plus x square. It means 36x minus 41x is equal to 330 minus 315, which means minus 5x is equal to 15. Then x becomes minus 3. Let's solve the second equation, which is 6x is to y is equal to y is to 3x minus 9. It is in the form of a by b is equal to b by c, which means b square is equal to ac. So 6x by y, that is equal to y by 3x minus 9, becomes y square is equal to 18x square minus 54x. We know that the value of x is minus 3. So y square is equal to 18 into minus 3 square minus 54 into minus 3. That is 324. Y is equal to square root of 324, which is equal to 18. If the ratio of two numbers is 5:3 and the product of their LCM and HCF is 135, then the sum of reciprocals of HCF and LCM is. Let the numbers be 5x and 3x. We know that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers, which means 5x into 3x, that is equal to 135, because in question they have given the product is 135, which means 15x square is 135 and x square becomes 9 and x is equal to 3. Therefore 5x is equal to 15 and 3x is equal to 9. So the two numbers are 15 and 9. Now LCM of 15 and 9 is 45. Similarly, HCF of 15 and 9 is 3. We have to find the sum of the reciprocals of LCM and HCF. It means sum of reciprocals is equal to 1 by LCM plus 1 by HCF, which means 1 by 45 plus 1 by 3. That is equal to 16 by 45. A ladder leaning against a wall makes an angle theta with the horizontal ground such that tan theta is equal to 15 by 8. If the height of the top of the ladder from wall is 30 meters, find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. For calculation purpose, let's draw the diagram first. Let it be the base. And the height of the top of the ladder from wall is 30 meters. It means it is 30. Makes an angle theta with the horizontal ground by leaning. Means here the angle is theta degrees. In the question, tan theta is given as 15 by 8. By observing the diagram, we can use the formula tan theta, which is equal to height by base. We know that tan theta is 15 by 8 and height is 30, and we have to find the base, which means base is equal to 8 into 30 by 15, which is equal to 16 meters. So the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 16 meters. The mode and median of data set is 28.4 and 88 respectively. What is the mean of the data set? The relation between the median and mode is mean minus mode is equal to 3 into mean minus median, or this can also be written as mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. .4 is equal to 3 into 88 minus 2 into x. Let the mean be x. That implies .4 is equal to 264 minus 2x, which implies 2x is equal to 235.6. and x becomes 117.8. If 260 is the mean proportion between x and 338, what is the value of x? Here, the mean proportion formula is square root of AB. Let x be A and 338 be B. And the value is given as 260. It means 260 is equal to square root of x into 338, which becomes 260 whole square is equal to x into 338. That implies 67,600 is x into 338, which becomes 67,600 divided by 338. So the final value of x is 200. Salil's salary was first reduced by 15% and subsequently raised by 10%. What percentage was his final salary lower compared to his initial salary? Let's calculate the final salary first. Final salary is equal to initial salary into 1 minus reduction percent into 1 plus increment percent. So that is equal to 100 into, here 100 is the initial salary that we assumed, 1 minus 15 by 100 into 1 plus 10 by 100. Hundred into 85 by 100 into 110 by 100, that is equal to 93.5, which is the final salary. We have to calculate the percentage decrease. Therefore, percentage decrease is equal to 100 minus 93.5 divided by 100 into 100. Here 100 is initial salary and 93.5 is final salary divided by 100 into 100, which means 6.5 by 100 into 100, that is equal to 6.5%. So the percentage decrease is 6.5%. The larger of two supplementary angles is 50 degrees more than the smaller one. The smaller angle is. We know that the sum of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Let smaller angle is x, then larger angle becomes x plus 50. As the sum of supplementary angles is 180 degrees, it becomes x plus 50 is equal to 180, which means 2x is equal to 130 and x is equal to 65. So the smaller angle is 65 degrees. A vendor bought lemons at 7 for rupees 1. How many lemons must he sell for 1 rupee to gain 75%? Let's calculate selling price per lemon first. Selling price per lemon is equal to cost price per lemon into 1 plus gain percent by 100. That is equal to 1 by 7 into 1 plus 75 by 100. Here cost price per lemon is 1 by 7 because number of lemons sold for 1 rupee is 1 rupee by selling price per lemon. So it is 1 by 7. It becomes 1 by 7 into 0.75. And the final value is 0.25 rupees. Now we have to find the number of lemons. So, number of lemons sold for 1 rupee is equal to 1 rupee by 0.25, that is equal to 4. So number of lemons sold is 4. In quadrilateral ABCD, AB is 17, BC is 8, CD is 9, AD is 12 and AC is 15 centimeters. What is the area of quadrilateral? Let's draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Here AB is 17 centimeters, BC 8 centimeters, CD 9 centimeters and AD 12 centimeters and AC is 15 centimeters. The area of a quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. That is equal to we know that the area of triangle is half BH. So for triangle ABC, its area is 1 by 2 into 8 into 15 plus the area of triangle ADC is 1 by 2 into 12 into 9. That is equal to 60 plus 54, which is equal to 114 square centimeters. The average of first 14 whole numbers is, the first 14 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. We know that average is equal to sum of all numbers by total numbers. The sum of all numbers above is equal to 91 and the total numbers is 14. So 91 by 14, which is equal to 6.5, is the average. The difference between the simple interest and compound interest compounded annually on a certain amount of money for 2 years at 16% per annum is 797 rupees. Find the sum. We can find this by using the formula. Ci minus Si is equal to P into R by 100 whole square. This is the difference between Ci and Si for 2 years. In the question, Ci minus Si is given as 797 and R is 16% per annum, so 16 by 100 whole square, which implies 797 is equal to P into 256 by 10,000. That implies P is equal to 797 into 10,000 divided by 256. So principal is equal to 31,133 rupees. Find the surface area of a sphere whose diameter is equal to 98 centimeters. The formula of surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 into, here d is given as 98. So r becomes 49. Because r is equal to d by 2. So 49 whole square, which means 4 into 22 by 7 into 2401, which is equal to 30,184 square centimeters. So the surface area of sphere is 30,184 square centimeters. What is the value of 3 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 5 by 16 plus 2 by 8 minus 2? Let's find this. Let's take the LCM of these denominators, which is 16. So it becomes 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 minus 32, which is equal to 17 minus 32 by 16, that is equal to minus 15 by 16. If 7.5 is to 19.5 is equal to 16 by x, find the value of x. Given 7.5 by 19.5 is equal to 16 by x. It is in the form of a by b is equal to c by d, which implies 7.5 into x is equal to 16 into 19.5. So x becomes 16 into 19.5 divided by 7.5, which is equal to 312 by 7.5. And the value of x is 41.6.